Traditional marking refers to marking technologies that include roll marking, press marking, and rotary roll marking. These technologies use pneumatic or hydraulic force to create permanent marks on various materials. Roll marking involves rolling a steel stamp over a part. Press marking uses a die to stamp a mark into a part, and rotary roll marking rolls a cylindrical part across a die to create a mark. Traditional marking methods are extremely durable, making them ideal for parts that need to withstand harsh environments. These methods are known for their ability to produce deep, clear, and permanent marks. They provide consistent and precise marking, ensuring clear and readable marks even on the toughest materials. Traditional marking machines can produce a lot of force and can create deep, permanent marks quickly. It excels in applications that require marking a high volume of parts with the same mark. If you are considering a traditional marking machine, call us at 847-647-7117 or visit us on the web at GTSCHMIDT.com. Tell us about your marking application and we'll help you find the right marking machine for you.